Okay, 6A. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right, good morning, 6A. Today, we're going to continue our discussions to get you ready for the final test. What units are tested in the test?
8, 9, 10.
Unit 8, 9, and 10. We have discussed Unit 8 and 9 together, right? In the last meeting? Yes. Now we'll continue to Unit 10. Before that, do you have any questions about Unit 8 and Unit 9? No? Okay. So, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All right, and we'll go to Unit 10. Unit 10 is about continuous and completed actions in the past.
Can I go to the toilet?
Okay, Kayla. Yeah. So, 6A. What is the first thing that you need to do when you are changing active sentences into passive sentences? First,
Find the object.
find the object of the sentence. Good. Second, you have to look at the object. Is the object singular? Is the object plural? Or is the object
Uncountable.
uncountable? And third, you have to look at the is, am, are, was, were, has, have, or had. Yeah, 6A. If you see is, are, or am, is, am, are, it means that you need to choose between is, am, or are in the passive sentence, plus being. Don't forget the being. But if you see was or were like this, yeah, you have to choose between was or were plus being in the passive sentence. But if you see has or have like this, 6A, you have to choose between has or have. Has or have been. And if you see had in the active sentence like this, it means that your only option is had been. Yeah. Atia, can you turn on your video, please? Okay, 6A. Any questions so far? Okay, good. Now, 6A. Let's change some active sentences. Now, let's do it one by one, yeah? I'll go to you one by one. Okay, are you ready? Okay, starts from Ataya, number 31, Ataya. Can you please?
Okay, Miss. Jessica's mother is making some cookies. Some cookies are being made by Jessica's mother.
Do you agree with that, 6A? Only nodding. Okay, good. Yes, that's the answer. Yes. What is the object of the sentence? The object of the sentence is some cookies. Yes, some cookies. And what you see here is. It means that your options are is, am, are. Yeah. Because there are more than one cookie, then you will have to choose
Are
being. Are being. What after that? What follows? A verb.
tree.
Yes, which is made. And
By Jessica's mother.
do you mention the doer in the passive sentence? Why?
Because it's specific.
Yes, because the doer is a specific person, which is Jessica's mother, right? Okay, good. Thank you, Ataya. Now, number 32, let's go to Alif. Oh.
Rome twice this year has been visited by Juliet, maybe.
Okay, do you agree with that, 6A?
No.
Why?
Twice this year, Rome has been visited by Juliet.
Okay, First of all, what is the object of the sentence, Alif?
Rome.
Rome, yes. Rome is the object of the sentence, yes. Only Rome, yeah, Alif. And after that, what you see here is has. So you need to choose between has or have. What do you choose for Rome?
Has.
Has, yes, because there is only one Rome. Has been. After that, what follows?
Visited.
Visited. After that,
Twice this year.
twice this year. Do you mention the doer?
Yes. Because it's
Yes, because Juliet is a specific person. Okay, good. Thank you, Alif. Now, let's go to Nafiza.
Number 33.
Number 33, yes.
Grain are being grinded.
The grain, that's the object, right? And then? You
The
see?
grain are being grinded.
Okay, how many grains are there? I mean, is grain countable or uncountable? Or is it plural or singular? When you look at rice, rice is grain, right? Can you count it?
No.
No. So grain is uncountable.
Countable.
When you see an uncountable noun like this, you have to use or you have to treat them as a singular, right? So what do you choose for grain? You choose is being, right, Nafiza?
Okay.
Now, 6A, what is the verb tree of grind?
Grinded. Maybe.
You can Google it, yeah. 6A. The verb tree of grind is ground. Yes, it is. All right. And in the mill. Do you mention the doer in the passive
No.
sentence? Why not?
No doer.
Yeah, the doer is not a specific person. Good. All right. Thank you, Nafiza. Now let's go to Sabrina. Number 34, Sabrina.
The cat had been taken by Luke.
Okay, the cat had been, yes, very good, Sabrina. And what is the verb tree of take, Sabrina?
Taken.
Taken, yes. The cat had been taken out of the house by Luke. Yes, very good, Sabrina. Thank you. Okay, number 35, Landra.
Okay, Miss. 35.
What is the object of the sentence? What is the object of the sentence? The Moira was painting the kitchen. Which of these words receive the actions of the sentence? It's the kitchen. Yes, the kitchen is the object of the sentence, right? After that, what follows? What you see here is was. It means that you need to change between, you need to choose between was or were, right, Landra? So what do you choose for the kitchen?
The kitchen is being painted when we arrive.
Was being painted.
The kitchen is being painted
by Moira.
Moira when we arrived.
When we arrived, yes. The kitchen was being painted by Moira when we arrived. Okay, thank you, Landa. Now, 6A, if you haven't answered them yet, or if you made mistakes, you copy the answers. Okay? Tell me when you're done, yeah, 6A. Yeah. The lessons are difficult. Akila is here, yeah. Danish here. Atia. Danish. KK? KK not here yet. Done 6A?
Done.
Done? Done, yeah? Okay. Can I move on? Can I go to the next slide?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, number 36. Whose turn is it now? Oh, Big's turn. It's Big's turn. Come on, Big. Number 36. Big. Big.
Yes.
Okay, can you try number 36, please?
The laser jet. The laser jet printer was printing the posters.
Okay, you're not changing it into a passive sentence, dear. When you want to
I
change
can focus.
because of the noise in your background here. Okay, which one is the object of the sentence here? Which one that receives the action in the sentence? The posters, yes. So the posters, and you see were here. It means that you need to change it in, you need to choose between was or were being. Yes, the posters. How many posters are there? More than one.
More than one.
Yeah, that's why you need to choose
Were.
were being printed.
Printed.
And then what follows?
With the laser jet.
With the laser jet.
The laser jet printer. Do we mention the doer?
No, because it's not
No,
specific.
because the doer is not a specific person. Yeah, 6A. All right, good. Thank you, Big. Maybe next time you can focus, yeah. Next, number 37. Raki. It's Raki's turn now.
Okay. The toys were wait, what? The toys were being put, what? The toys.
What do you see here, Raki? Yes, the toys is right. And what you see here is?
Toys were, I think.
You see
Yes.
have. So you only have two options. It's either has been or have been. Which one is it?
The toys has been.
How many toys are there?
More than one.
More than one. If there is more than one, you use?
Have.
Have, yes. Have been put.
Have been put by the. Have been
Back
put
to the toy basket. Do you mention the doer?
No, because it's not.
Huh? I
The
think.
children. It's the children.
Yeah, you need to mention the doer because they are specific people, right? By my children. Okay, it can be by you, or it can be by your children, or it can be by your maid, right? Okay. Not only the children that can put the toys back to the toy basket. Okay, thank you, Raki. Next, let's go to Akila, number 38, Akila.
Miss, did you call me because my Zoom is lagging?
Yes, I did call you. Where is your face anyway?
I don't know why
Okay.
it doesn't want to show my face.
Yeah?
The camera doesn't want to show my face. I don't know.
Yes. Okay, you're drowned by the background of yours. Okay, Akila, can you please tell us the answer or try to answer the number 38, please?
The giant lollipop is being stared by the little girl.
Okay, good job, but you missed one word. What is that? Let's see it together. The giant lollipop is being, yes, stared at, yeah, stared at by the little girl. Do not leave this out, yeah, in the test later. Okay, because, yeah, changing active sentences into passive sentences need to copy everything. You need to copy everything. Do not leave out any words like this. Okay. Now, yes, the giant lollipop. There is only one giant lollipop. And what you see here is. That's why you need to choose between is, am, or are being. And there is only one lollipop. That's why you need to choose is. And you need to mention the doer because the doer is a specific person, the little girl. Right? 6A? Okay, thank you, Akila. Next, Kayla.
My wallet has been stolen by somebody.
All right, my wallet has been stolen. Good job. By somebody. Do you need to mention the somebody? Not really, right? Because that somebody can be anybody and it's not a specific person. Okay, just someone that is not worth mention. Okay. 6A. Let's go to Sabrina already. Okay. Atia. Atia. Are you there, Atia? Number 40, please. Atia? Okay. The start of the sentence is the same, yeah? When I arrived home, and then what follows? What is the object of the sentence, Atia? Somebody was breaking into my house. What is the object of the sentence? Atia. The object of the sentence is, 6A, what is it? My house. After that, what you see here is was. It means that you need to
Choose was or were.
choose was or were. What do you choose for my house?
Was.
Was being. After that, what is the verb 3 of break?
Broken.
Broken. Is that it, 6A?
Yes.
Is that it? Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, you don't need to mention the doer because the doer is not somebody specific. Okay, 6A, copy that and tell me when you're done copying, yeah? Atia is here. What's wrong with Rydell? Do you know where Rydell is?
No.
No? Have you seen her? Have you seen him today?
Yes, in thematic, in mathematics, and class.
Done? Is everybody done?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Let's move on then. Can I go on to the next slide?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Number 41 until number 45, the last numbers. All right, 6A, number 41. Let's go to KK. Hi, K.
Hi.
What is the object of the sentence, K? The homework, right? Whose homework is that?
Tina.
It's
Tina.
Dina's homework. So you put Dina's homework at the beginning of the passive sentence. After that, what follows, Kay?
Huh?
After that, what follows? After that, what you see here is has. It means that you need to choose between has been or have been. But for homework, you need to choose homework is uncountable. That's why you need to choose has. Has been, right, 6A?
Yes.
Hi, Danish,
Right.
where have you been?
I forget.
Did you see Rydell on the way here?
What?
Rydell is missing today. Huh? Okay, what follows after that?
Okay.
Finished, right? After finished? You can click now. Okay, that's it. Hi, Naira. Okay, number 42. Whose turn is it now? Okay, Danish, are you on already?
Huh? On?
Yeah, I mean, have you kept up already? I mean, what am I saying? Okay, number 42, please. Danish, Primarafa.
Not done yet until here.
Can you please try? What is the object of the sentence, Danish?
The object.
Ah,
There's no object.
there is an object of the sentence, the one that receives the action. The object of the sentence is the one that receives the action.
Prepared.
What is the, which one, which word that receives the action in the sentence? It's everything.
Prepare everything.
Everything. After that, what follows?
So you can relax.
Everything
Have
has been
or has been prepared.
prepared.
So you can relax.
You can relax. Okay, 6A. Next. Thank you, Danish. Now number 43. Let's go to, I think Naira is lagging, yeah? Okay, let's do it together then. 6A, what is the object of number 43? Does anyone know? The object of the sentence in number 43 is? What?
Nothing.
Manager.
Yes,
Problem.
nothing. Nothing is the object of the sentence. After that, what follows?
Has.
Has. Very good. Has been. Why? Because everything, nothing, something, anything, somebody, everybody, what else? Nobody, anybody. They are all treated as singular. So you need to choose the singular auxiliary verb, right? 6A. So nothing has been done by the manager to solve the problem. Or you can say nothing has been done to solve the problem by the manager, right? Okay, now number 44, 6A. What is the object of the sentence?
The water tap.
The water tap. Yes, the water tap. After that, what follows?
Was being
Was being what? Fixed. After that?
By Galu when it burst.
By Galu when it burst. Yes, you need to mention the doer because the doer is a specific person, just like this. There is the because it's a specific person. Okay. Number 45. What is the object of the sentence? 6A.
An experiment.
An experiment. Yes. After that, what follows?
Is being.
Is being. Then?
Conducted.
Conducted.
In the lab.
In the lab. And then?
By some scientists.
Do you need to mention the doer?
No.
No.
Why not?
Because
it's not specific.
Yeah. They are not specific scientists. Yeah. If they are specific scientists, the active sentence use the. Right? The active sentence uses the scientists. Because they are not specific scientists, you don't have to mention the doer. Okay, of course, an experiment is done by scientists. Right, 6A. Now that's changing active sentences into passive sentences for continuous and completed actions. Right? What is the first thing that you need to do, 6A?
Find the object.
Find the object. Number 2.
Check the object. Is it singular or plural or uncountable?
Very good. Check this object. Is it singular or is it plural or is it uncountable? And after that, you look at
the is, am, or are, or was, or were.
Yeah, you look at the is, am, are, was, were, has, have, or had. Yes, good job, 6A. Okay, now copy that. While you are copying, I want to brief you a little about the test. Okay, so the test is on Wednesday, right? On Wednesday at 8. There will be like how many numbers?
40.
Yes, there are 40 numbers and they are all multiple choice problems. Yes. Okay.
All of them are the cross thing, right?
What?
There's no essays. Is there?
No essays. All of them are multiple choice problems. Yes, multiple choice problems are the worst. Why? Because once you are wrong, you won't get any score for that number, right? Your score is 0 for that number.
It's risky, but it's easy.
Is it easier?
Yeah, but it's riskier.
Yeah, risky, but it's easier, yeah. Okay, yeah. 6A, be very careful while reading the questions and reading the options. Be very careful in considering the options, yeah, because the options are very similar. Okay, maybe only one word difference or one or two words. Be very careful, okay, considering the options. Okay, now I'm going to post the video of our discussions and also the answer key and also the review paper again, maybe at round 1, yeah, because I need to process the video first. 6A, if you want to review our discussions later, you can, yeah. And then, oh yeah, don't forget to complete all your assignments before the final test week. Have you completed them all yet?
I have a little bit more.
I have one more, I think.
You have one more. Okay. Good. Keep up the spirit, yeah? One more. Only 6. Only 6. And they are not like big projects, right? I didn't give you any big projects, right? Okay. 6A. Okay. Any questions about the materials or the final test?
No.
Oh yeah, your time is 1 hour for the test. And the test will be real time, yeah? So please don't be late. Don't be late because there are no extensions, no time extensions in the test. Okay, once it turns 9, I will close the Google form so you cannot submit the form anymore. Okay, so please don't be late.
What if we're sick on the
But
day?
there's a susulan, right?
What? What?
What if we're sick when we want to do the test?
What mistakes? What, Raki?
There's susulan, Danis.
Oh, the makeup test. You're asking about the makeup test.
Danish
Yes.
said so.
Huh?
Danish said the question.
Oh, yeah. It was Danny's questions. Okay, so there will be makeup test, yes. But you have to contact me first if you want to get the, what is it? The makeup test. Because I have to open the Google form so you can do the makeup test like that. Okay, why? Why are you asking about the makeup test? Try to do it in the time given, yeah, which is on Wednesday at 8 until 9. Okay, 6A? Yes, I need you to put your mind and your heart to your work so that inshallah you will do well in, what is it, in the tests, in the final test. Remember that this is your final test. Okay, 6A, that is all for today. Thank you so much for your participation. That is all for today. Let's say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Hi, Raidal, where have you been? Oh my God. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, 6A. Good luck ya. Prepare yourself well.
Bye.
Bye.